So Rainforest Cafe has a breakfast with Santa buffet and some other things. We like this one. It's got a nice little Disney-like ride on it. We've got a few dories in there. Here comes one right here. Don't see any Nemos. That's a dory wannabe right there, I think. There's Dory. So, giveaways. Go around and take a look at some of the animals that are always here at the Rainforest Cafe. And we like this one because this cafe actually has a ride that you can go into. Really pretty cool. Santa's going to be right there at some point. He comes around the table too. I'll be able to show you the buffet a little bit. It's pretty much standard buffet. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Sausage, eggs, I think pancakes as well. It's pretty booked out, so I think we got our tickets about 3 months in advance. So. Gorillas dance decked out in their Santa hats.
Can we get a picture with you, Cha-Cha?
No, dear.
Alright, everybody ready? Smile. Keegan, look at me and smile. Real smile. Thank you, Cha-Cha.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Rainforest.
Good morning. How are you today?
Morning.
Merry Christmas.
And we got some balloons. First, we got the bee.
Look at that, it's glowing.
Light up.
Hold it still. And you're trying to make it fly around. Never had such a
Light up bee with a stinger.
special balloon animal that has a light up in it. Keegan got a
Alien helmet.
sword and a helmet. Yes.
Very good.
Guys, can it be anything else?
So here's the buffet that you get. Some potatoes and eggs. You're not be able to see this very well, but this is sausage and French toast and bacon. Sausage and biscuit. Cheese omelets, the things you can put in it. And then waffles as well as ham. And then some good rolls as well as some fruit. So that's all that you get at the Santa buffet at Rainforest.
You can sit up tall.
Right?
That would be a negatory, Santa.
Yeah.
Negatory.
Santa loves giving those out. Those are good this year, huh? Santa gonna take care of it. Hey, guys, straight up. We need to be back here.
All right, let's see what we got.
See what's in your goodie bags. Is it tied in or not?
this is the little goodie bag that they get from Santa.
These are the Rainforest characters. This is the gorilla, and that's the, yeah, cool.
Okay, we're gonna go on the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. Let's do it.
Food is chilly.
Little bit of Disney in Galveston.
Attention please. Some of our guides claim to have spotted tigers in the waiting area over the past couple of days. But fear not, we know their claims to be false. Tigers are striped, not spotted.
We know that to be false. Tigers are striped, not spotted. Hey, are we ready for the ride? Yes? Are we ready?
We aim to please here at the Rainforest River Adventure. So, on the count of 3, I want everyone to turn around. 1, 2, 3. There! Now those at the
I'm not sure I turned around the right spot.
Doesn't that make you feel
This is
better?
really a very cool ride. If you ever come to Galveston, Rainforest Cafe, it's very Disney-esque. That is. No? You don't think so? Real doesn't think so. Gum gum. I want gum gum. Dum dum. Ooh, there's a spider on it. Uh-oh. We are stuck. In show exit. Wasn't at Disney, but it was at the Rainforest Cafe. I'm sorry. Your ride will come to an kilter there. ride. Hope you enjoyed our breakfast with Santa at the Rainforest Cafe and enjoyed the Rainforest Ride. Please subscribe to Big Family Chronicles. Hit the like button and the what? Thanks for joining us, and Merry Christmas!